Here is a quick video to show how to use the Brieftons Express Food Chopper. Please watch it in full, as it will help you make the most out of your chopper. Components. The product comes with a pump, a cover, a bowl, a chopper blade inside a protective cover. Recommended usages. The chopper makes it easy to prepare chopped ingredients for soups, salads, pesto, hummus, salsa, guacamole, baby foods, among others. Chopping. Vegetables and fruits without a hard seed. Example, onion, carrot, potato, tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, kale, etc. Herbs. Example, garlic, spring onion, etc. Tip. If the food is too tough to cut with your knife, then it will be too tough for the chopper. How to use. Use one hand to hold the plastic shelf of the blade attachment, and use the other hand to carefully remove the protective covers from the blades. Make sure your fingers are clear of the sharp edges of the blades at all times. Place the food chopper on a flat, stable surface, and place the chopper blade on the nub at the center of the bowl. Use a knife to cut the food into chunks no longer or wider than 1.5 inches, 3 to 4 centimeters. The smaller the chunks are, the quicker it will be to chop them later. If the food is hard, example, carrot, sweet potato, etc., cut it further into smaller chunks. Scatter the chunks around the blade in the bowl. Make sure the chopper blade still sits upright and is not tilted to any side. Fit the cover flush on the bowl. Fit the pump onto the cover. Make sure the pump's base fits flush with the cover. The hex end of the pump should now be connected to the hex hole of the chopper blade through the cover. If the pump handle is in the locked position, release it as follows. 1. Use one hand to hold the pump handle. 2. Use the other hand to slide the pump lock to the unlocked position. Push down on the pump repeatedly. This will cause the chopper blade to spin and chop the food. The more you push the pump, the finer the chopped foods become. Stop when the desired results are achieved. Important: if the chopper blade doesn't move freely, please try this. Open the cover. Take out the chopper blade carefully before removing the chopped food from the bowl. Cut the chunks further into small pieces. Scatter the chunks around the blade in the bowl. Try again until the blade can move freely. To save space when storing the chopper, you can lock the pump handle down. 1. Use one hand to push the pump handle down and hold it. 2. Use the other hand to slide the pump lock to the locked position. How to clean. It is recommended that the chopper be washed right after use. Clean the pump by hand with warm, soapy water. Do not put the pump in the dishwasher or submerge it underwater. Hand washing is recommended to prolong the life of the product. All other parts of the chopper can be cleaned by hand or in a dishwasher, top rack only. Hand cleaning. Wash the parts with warm, soapy water. Use a brush to clean the chopper blade if necessary. Use a mild detergent if necessary. Dishwasher cleaning. Place the bowl, cover, chopper blade, and mixer attachment in the top rack of the dishwasher. Important: do not put the pump in the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher on a normal cycle using standard detergent. Unfortunately, stains from vegetables such as carrots or beets are a relatively common issue with plastic products of this nature. Sometimes carrots or beets may leave stains on the chopper's plastic. When stains happen, you can remove them as follows. Use baking soda to clean the stain. Or mix a paste of baking soda and dish soap. Scrub it on the stain. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Scrub it again and rinse it thoroughly. Repeat as necessary until the stain is removed.